Want stronger, healthier plants with almost zero cost? Just add coffee grounds and baking soda. This genius fertilizer trick is rarely talked about, but once you try it, you'll never go back to chemical fertilizers. Used coffee grounds are loaded with nitrogen, a key nutrient for leafy growth. They also improve soil texture, boost earthworm activity, and slowly release organic matter into the soil. Think of it as free, eco-friendly plant food straight from your kitchen. Now here's the twist. Baking soda. While coffee grounds can sometimes make soil slightly acidic, baking soda balances the pH. That means your plants won't suffer from excess acidity, and harmful fungi are less likely to attack. Take 1 handful of dried coffee grounds, mix it with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and sprinkle the blend evenly around the base of your plants. Water lightly so the nutrients soak into the soil. Repeat every 2 to 3 weeks. This simple combo keeps your soil healthy, boosts growth, and protects against disease, all without spending a dime. Try it today and watch your plants thrive like never before.